Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the Instagram Favorites feed. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Instagram app, and when on the home page, tap on the Instagram logo in the top left corner. Then tap on Favorites. If you haven't chosen favorites, you will need to choose them now. You will have a suggested favorites list. You can tap remove on the ones that you don't want to be your favorites. Or if it got it all wrong, you can tap remove all. You can search for people who you follow and want to be your favorites in the search bar at the top. Tap add to add them to your favorites. Tap confirm favorites when you are happy with your favorites list. On your feed, you can see that an account is in your favorites list by this star to the right of their name. You can switch back to following feed at the top by tapping the Instagram logo and then tapping following. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.